Good morning, friends. I hope that you all enjoyed our time on the computer yesterday when we all got to talk a little bit. It was a little bit crazy because we were all wanting to see each other and talk with each other, but I think it was great to get everybody together. And next Wednesday, we're going to get everybody together again. Then I also might be having just some small groups, and I will text you or send a reminder to let you know which group you're going to be in. But for today, it's Thursday, and it's Science Day. And so today we are going to talk about a word called cohesion. 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 What does that word mean? Well, let's see if we can figure it out. So first of all, I want to show you, I have a bowl that has a rock in it. And onto this rock I have tied a piece of yarn. I needed to get my yarn wet, so I put it in that bowl. Right now I'm going to take it out of the bowl, and I'm going to put my rock in my cup over here that is empty. And there's my rock in my cup, okay? Now I have another cup right here that has water in it, but it's kind of hard to see because, water's clear. So I'm going to take some blue food coloring, and I'm going to put it in it. So help me count. I'm going to put 5 drops in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, are you still thinking about that word cohesion? Cohesion. What does cohesion mean? Well, I had to get a spoon. I'm going to stir my water so you can see it's blue. That way you'll be able to see better. Okay? All right. So now what I want to do is I want to take my string or my yarn, and I want to tie it to the handle of this measuring cup. Are you guys figuring out what I'm going to do? I'm going to tie this over there. Okay. Now, I want to get my water from this cup into this empty cup that has the rock in it. How can I do that without spilling it? Because I'm going to hold my cup here. And if I hold my cup here and just tip it over without this string in it, where would the water go? Straight down here to my tray, right? But I don't want my water to be on my tray. I want it to go in my cup. So watch, friends. I'm going to hold my cup out here so it's not over this cup, and I'm going to slowly tip it so that the water, oh my goodness, look at that. The water is not falling out onto my tray, but the water is going into my cup. Can you see? Can you see the water going in? I'm going to give you a close-up, if I can, so that you can see the water. Look, the water is sticking to the yarn, and it's going down into my cup. It's not coming off the yarn. It's not spilling out over the sides. It is sticking to the yarn and going down into my cup. Look at that. Now then, that is what we call cohesion of the water molecules. That means, if you figured this out, that the water molecules stick together, and it follows each other, and then it adheres to the string. So look, I can pour all of that water, as long as I do it slowly enough, and it will stick to that wet yarn and go right into my cup. And look, I put all of my water now into my cup, the other cup. This one is empty, and look, I don't have a puddle of water on my tray. Can you see that? There is, all my water is in my cup. That, friends, is what we call cohesion. Cohesion's when something sticks together and the water molecules stuck together to come down and adhere or stick to the string. That is my science lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you can try this at home with mom or dad. If they don't care, you have to ask them first. But we've learned about cohesion today, how things stick together. And I hope that we have a nice weekend with a lot of sunshine and warm weather, and you can be outside and play. And I will see you all again on Monday. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.